Yeah, welcome back to the channel. To you guys who have seen the last short videos I put out, you see I got some more problem with the RX400 hybrid. A jump up message saying hybrid system wrong, VSC wrong, AVD four-wheel drive wrong, and we go into limp mode. And yeah, first time it happened, it just cut off the gasoline engine, and I was driving a little on the freeway with only battery power before it died. Luckily I get off the freeway, but now the one thing I have been doing with the car before this happened was I was using foam to wash it and high pressure after to blow off the things, and maybe it had leaked in somewhere and into the battery again. I have as you see another video, I can try to put in links both in the description in the end of this video and things, how I fix the leaks on the roof. I don't believe those leaks could have gone up again. I really don't believe that. But maybe I have been something around the windows back here. I can't see it. That's the problem. I can't see anywhere it had leaked in. No, I just have to take out the back seat again to try to find if it come in more water again. Yeah. I have that in another video, so I don't have to show you everything again, but I just have to start with some 14mm bolts in the front to get the seat loose in the front, and I have to take some bolts behind the seat and different things. Yeah, I'll be back when I get out some more here. Yeah, then I was out with the battery pack again, or not out with the battery pack, but out with to getting into the battery here, because I believed the error message I get was because of water getting in here. Now I had trashed it up some steep hills and things, and yeah, I'm going to check it one more time. But when I was driving now, I trashed it quite hard. No error message come up at all. So it's kind of crazy. I have to get but yeah, I'm just going to get me some light here and check one more time, and then maybe vacuuming up some dirt here. I can't see that this battery pack has come nothing here, but one thing. When I was on and off a couple of times with a plus minus on the 12 voltage battery, I couldn't screw it in hard enough. Feels like I had a little bad connection on a 12 volt battery. Battery is new, but the connection was not perfect. So I have to find a screw now and screw it in, so I lock that plus connection on the battery. Could it be that bad? That a little bad connection there screw up everything? It could be. I'm just have to see, because I can't see any things to show me that is getting wet here. Yeah, I come back with more here so we can end the video. And just have to, before my oldest boy go to practice again, I have to get him to put back the seats with me. First I'm just checking everything here, but I can't understand there's nothing here. Yeah, then I am putting the car together again. And now I've been out test driving the car again, and it was no problem. So I maybe fooled myself a lot. So don't do the same mistakes as I do sometimes. Start with the simplest thing. here it looks like it was the connection on the minus side on the battery connector that I've been off and back with that one to get the back door to open and to get away the error message that was coming out and things. It's what starting to be slacky, I think. So when I was driving, it moved a little, enough to the car losing power, enough to start messing up or sending a lot of error message. I think it's that because now I was driving it hard and for a little while, and no problem whatsoever after I put a screw in the connector to get everything to connect better. So yeah, you learn. I have been out with the seats one more time on everything, so yeah. Please come back and see more video later. Yeah. Thank you.